Okay, kindergarten, we are going to be creating a crab for our ocean theme week. So we are actually going to create him by using our handprints. And we will do that next week, but if you notice, that is a handprint and a handprint, and it's going to create this cute little crab. Okay, but today we're just going to do the background. If you notice, I have like some brown in the background. We're going to create like he's sitting in the sand. That looked like he's sitting in the sand. So today you will have a piece of paper that looks like this. You're actually going to make him on a smaller piece of paper because your hands are smaller. So you're going to do him on a smaller piece of paper. So we're going to create this look, this textured look. And when we talk about texture in art, we talk about the way something, it looks like it feels. Now, if you notice, it kind of looks rough. It's not real smooth, is it? Because sand is kind of rough. So we're going to create this little rough look, not with a paintbrush, but with what's called a Tigger hopper. And we'll be using these a lot in kindergarten. This is called a Tigger hopper. And the way we use this tool for art is we are going to bounce, bounce, bounce to cover our paper. We're not going to do this. We're not going to paint with it. We're going to Tigger hop. I know everyone's watched Winnie the Pooh, and we know that there's a tiger in there, and he bounces everywhere he goes. So that's why we're calling it a Tigger hopper, because we're going to bounce to create this textured look. Today you will have two different colors of brown. We're going to have a light color brown and a dark color brown for the sand. Now what I don't want you to do is take your paint and smear it and mix it all together on your paper plate. We don't want to do that. What we want to do is we want to get a little bit of the lighter color and we want to get a little bit of the darker color. And do you see how I have both of those colors on my Tigger hopper? And what you're going to do is you're just going to start bouncing, and look how it creates that beautiful texture like sand. If I was to do it like a paintbrush, see how that makes it smooth? We don't want it smooth. We don't want the texture to be smooth. We want it to be kind of bumpy. So that's why we Tigger hop. Again, I'm going to go into a little bit of the lighter brown and a little bit of the darker brown. And I'm going to Tigger hop. So don't paint it like a paintbrush. I want you to bounce, bounce. And look how I'm filling in all my white spaces. You want to make sure you fill in all your white spaces. See, I'm just a hopping. Miss Rucker's just a hopping along. Maybe I want to pick up just brown. I can do that. Put some darker brown in there. I can do that. Or maybe I want to just pick up some lighter color, because in the sand you're going to see all different colors inside of the sand. They're going to be just spread out everywhere. Okay, so do you see how I'm getting my edges? I don't want to leave any white. I want to make sure that I get all my edges. Perfect. When you get something that looks like this, you are going to put your Tigger hopper back on your paper plate, and you are going to bring this to the drying rack to Miss Rucker, just like this. We're going to hold it like a pizza. You're going to bring it to the drying rack. You're going to get one wipe. You're going to clean your hands. You're going to go back to your seat, clean your mat if you got any paint on your mat. And then you're going to go to carpet and read a book quietly until it's time to go. Next week, we're going to be doing, Miss Rucker will have the red paint out. We're going to do our handprints. We're going to let that dry. And then I'm going to teach you, Miss Rucker has googly eyes, but I'm going to teach you how to make eyes on your crab. And we're going to even give him a mouth. Okay, have fun.